Hello everyone. Today our group will present about remote service system. We have 5 group members: Su Yue, Zhang Sifan, Zhou Qiaolin, Xie Xinyang, and Liu Jiahui. Next page is content. Number 1, definition of remote service system. Number 2, development and application of remote service system. Number 3, advantage and disadvantage of remote service system. Number 4 is conclusion.
What is the remote service system? With the convenience brought by network and information technology, electromechanical technology products can realize remote control and service without geographical barriers. The realization of remote service foundation and makes the use of products not only insulated from the user end, but also formed a cooperative and a communication relationship between the users and the manufacturer, based on mass production in the society. Through modern communication technology, especially network, important technique data and control information can be transferred and acquired in time. Production fault can be quickly emailed, new products in time, technology training, and so on. Its mean and the foundation are obvious. The core concept of modern remote service system is remote technical support, the remote fault diagnosis. After the application of remote service system, the supplier don't have to be sent to the user's faculty can realize to provide customers with completed expertise training and solve the problem of users in actual production of specific users. Never leave home can better and more fully exert the foundation of equipment and machinery and flexible, gradually shorten and the time feedback and consulting. In addition, with the help of remote service system, user can quickly and effectively diagnose faults and take countermeasures for maintenance and reply by sending the unique status information, the equipment or machinery to manufacturers, a special service organization, so as to shorten the production stop time as far as possible.
Part 2. Development of remote service statement. With the rapid development of science and technology, network technology affects all aspects of our life. The development to remote technology and related software has brought great convenience to our lives and many activities, and we have more requirements for remote service statements, and the demand for computer management and technical support, remote operation and control technology has kissed more and more attention. The realization of remote survey function not only uses products isolated from the user side, but also uses the collaborative communication relationship formed between users and manufacturers based on social products. The clear content of model remote service statement is remote technical support and remote food diagnosis. In recent years, the focus of CIMS and related research is to realize the integration and automation of internal production and management of enterprises so that enterprises can practice their internal skills. With the development of market and technology, international trade is expanding and the organization and composition of enterprises and are also changing. The external factors of the enterprise and are becoming more and more important.
My part is application of remote service system. According to different communication methods, remote service can be roughly divided into two categories. One is telecom remote services, which refers to remote services based on voice communication, including voice consultation, order placement, and the most commonly used food orders, taxi orders, and so on. To order food, such as Meituan Takeaway, Foodpanda, and other applications, you only need to log in to the application, select and enter the merchant store, then select the goods you want to buy and click to settle. The principle of ordering a taxi is the same. Just like Grab, you only need to open the application, enter the destination, click confirm, and wait for the driver to arrive. The other is network-based remote services, which are based on the internet and have various situations, including traditional network online customer service, online education, online meeting, telemedicine technology, and so on. For online classes and online meeting, such as Zoom and Teams, you only need to open the client, then complete the registration or login operation, and choose to join the meeting or host the meeting, so that we can work at home during the COVID-19. Telemedicine technology uses high-speed networks for comprehensive transmission of digital, image, and voice, and realizes the communication of real-time voice and high-definition images, providing a broader development space for the application of modern medicine, improve the diagnosis at medical level, reduce medical expenses, and meet the health needs of the people.
Part 3. Advantage and disadvantage of a remote service system. Advantage. Number 1. Professional and secure online remote service. Online remote service software is a diverse, professional, efficient remote service technology platform. Number 2. Convenient and fast service. The user through the remote assistance software connection the engineer can instantly arrive at the user side. For the user to solve the computer appear all kinds of technical faults to achieve the same effect as the engineer on the doorstep service. Number 3. Inexpensive and easy to enjoy. User can enjoy professional, efficient, and satisfactory service without worrying about spending too much. Next is disadvantage. Number 1, you must have a network. If you don't have network, you can't connect. Number 2, user may feel stranger online. Number 3, user may not be able to communicate well. Number 4, it may not achieve the expected effect of users.
This is part 4 conclusion. As more devices are connected to IoT platforms, there will be an increased need for remote service options. Since factory owners may not always have the resources or needed skills on site to deal with maintenance or repair issues. In addition, either the machines or the factories themselves may be situated in hard-to-reach places, in which case remote services are critical. Factory owners are advised to integrate remote service options into their existing IoT platforms in order to prevent costly downtime and secure their data proactively. And that's all for our presentation. Thank you for watching.